Hello, thank you for joining me. The question here says, a light beam is as shown below. Find the value of the weight, W. Now, for us to do this, we are going to apply the principle of moment that says that total clockwise moment is equal to total anti-clockwise moment. Now, we are told that the beam is light, so there's no need for writing the weight position of the beam. That is the mass of the beam. There's no need for doing that because it is a light beam. So it is assumed that the weight or the mass is negligible. So now the full length of the beam is 1.5, as you can see. 1.5 meter is the full length. And this point is 0.6 meter. So that means this remaining side from this pivot to where this weight is going to be 1.5 minus 0.6. And that will give us the value of this side as 0.9 meters. So that's the length here, 0.9 meters. So from here to here is 0.9 meters. Now, from the principle of moment, we are told that total clockwise moment is equal to total anti-clockwise moment. So this part now on the right gives a clockwise moment, that is, gives a turning in this direction. So this weight will turn this beam in this direction, which is the clockwise moment. And then this will turn it in this opposite direction, which is the anti-clockwise moment. So total clockwise moment is equal to total anti-clockwise moment. So the total clockwise moment will be this weight here, W, multiplied by its distance from this support. Don't forget, to get any value there, you have to be the moment, the weight or the force acting multiplied by the distance. That is the formula for moment, force times distance. So the force here, which is the weight, multiplied by the distance from that point that we are taking a moment about. So we are taking moment about this support, this pivot. So I now have W now, which is this, multiplied by its distance from the pivot, which is 0.9, multiplied by 0.9 is equal to the anti-clockwise moment, which is this force, 5 Newton, 5 multiplied by the distance of this same force, that is perpendicular distance of this same force from the support, from the pivot, and that is 0.6. So we can now solve further, and I have W multiplied by 0.9 will give me 0.9 W, and that will be equal to 5 multiplied by 0.6 will simply give me 3. So to get the value of W, I'm going to divide both sides by 0.9 and then also divide this by 0.9. So by the time I divide both sides by 0.9, I'm going to get the value of W, which is left here. And that will be equal to 3 divided by 0.9 will give me 3.33 Newton. So that's the value of the weight W. And that's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video so that others can learn from it. And don't forget to join me in my next video. Thank you for watching.